Alright, so I get this question all the time, and it's how to get money with the OwO bot. I've had to record this video 2 times because my mic just literally sucks. And there's buzzing in the background if you didn't hear that, so now the music has to be louder. So you guys aren't distracted. But anyways, how to get money with the OwO bot, there's a few simple ways. I don't know why people are confused with this, but anyways. First off, your daily. Also, the bot's running pretty slow today, which is annoying. But yeah, your daily, it'll pop up, oh, you got some money. Next, marriage. Marriage, like, gives you, like, plus 500, plus 200 something on your daily, depending on how long your daily streak is. So yeah, get married. All you have to do is OwO marry the person, then the ring number. You get the ring in a shop. You just buy the ring, so OwO buy 4, OwO buy 3, whatever you want to buy. Then the person has to say OwO am. That's all you have to say, and then you're married. You just doubled your daily money you got. So yeah, so for example, we just OwO buy 3, OwO buy 4, OwO buy 5. It's really simple. Alright, so next, your checklist. A lot of people don't know what this is, but your checklist, you're able to do stuff with the checklist. So for example, get your votes, get your daily, stuff like that. And once you do all the stuff in your checklist, you get a pretty good amount of stuff. The way you send cookies to people is OwO cookie, and then I'll just give it to Dan. So yeah, that's it. And again, the bot's just running slow. Got to deal with it. Next, a pretty underrated way to get money in this bot, it's really fast actually, it's faster than a lot of the ways I'm going to mention, is voting. It'll pop up with a website, click on the website, then you just vote for the bot. You have to watch like a 10-second ad, but yeah, that's really it. Next, hunting. Hunting gets you animals. You can sell the animals, so once it finally shows up what animal I got, then I'll be able to sell it. And you also get loot boxes from hunting, and that's also in your quests or your checklist that you have to do. So yeah, so for example, I got a lady beetle, so I think that would be a ladybug, but if it's not, then whatever, I guess. I don't know what this is. I guess a ladybug, but if it doesn't give it to you, just keep saying random things. It'll eventually sell it. Now, the stuff's going to be, like, for example, if it's common, it's probably only going to give you 3. It's not going to be that much. But with that 3, oh, dang, that was awful. But with that 3 or whatever you got, you can gamble it. So, for example, if you did get 3, you can coin flip. So you get a 50-50 chance of doubling your money or losing it. There's also slots. So, like, if I wanted to do 20,000 slots, which is dumb. I don't recommend slots. I recommend coin flipping more. Yeah, slots is probably the worst gambling thing to do in this game. And I think there's blackjack too, but I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, for example, the stuff, it's slots and all that. We're not in Las Vegas, but you know, whatever. It's how it is. But you're probably not going to win slots. I've won slots a few times, but it depends. I would not spend that much on slots. It's not worth it. But yeah, those are the main ways to get stuff in this game and to get money. It's really easy, and if you want to double your money, I do recommend doing coin flip. Now, I did lose it, but who cares? But once you get good enough at this stuff, you can just keep getting more and more money. People can also give you money, so OwO give number, or, oh, actually, no, it's OwO give user, then money. Now, I think there is a limit on it, but, you can give people money, and no one knows how to, I didn't know that even existed for a while, but I think there is like a 100,000 limit, and you also can't give them money every single second, every single day, because they also have a limit of how much money they can get, and I actually won slosh, which is really rare. I'm kind of shocked I got that, 3 eggplants. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys get some more money.